Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I talk about in mode free changes. So friend, this PC gives both versatile customization through the integration of three modular components, and this innovative PC case leverages the modular design concept introduced during Computex Type by 2023. And friend, apart from the foundation mode I housing the ModFree, you can select from three available modules: Mode 2, Mode 3, and the tool-free interlock clip mechanism facilitates seamless assembly and customization, and the core offering known as the base edition include Mode 2 and Mode 1 and bundled with 3 AJ140 ARGB fan. Additionally, the lineup features Deluxe Edition, which incorporate two Mode 3 modules accompanied by 4 AJ140 RGB fans and brand. Both editions support eATX, eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX form factors, and offer 2.5-inch shadoways 2 into 2, 3.5-inch shadoways into 1, and compatibility for 2.5-inch drives by 2. And there are 9 expansion slots allowing for a CPU cooler height of up to 200 mm and power supply unit depth of up to 390 mm. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.